everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to set timer on YouTube. First of all, open YouTube. Then start playing any video on YouTube. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. From the menu, select sleep timer. Choose the duration for how long you want the video to play before it automatically pauses. To modify the timer, repeat the same steps and set a new duration. Once the timer ends, you will receive a silent notification that the video has been paused. If you're still awake and want to keep watching, simply reset the timer or resume playback. And that's how you can set timer on YouTube. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.